just washed everything, so we're just gonna temp 375. Let's try 375. So this is gonna take like 10 minutes to preheat. And I forgot to press play. So I cut the bread. It's not the appropriate bread. It's not the bread that I wanted. This is like super soft. I took butter and put butter on the backs, and I'm just gonna flip it over. I had bacon or something to put in there, but we're just doing the basic here. Alright, let's see if we can figure out how to do this. So what we're going to do is, I'm not sure if this is going to work. So I take this over, put it on the stove. I'm going to take this lovely panini sandwich. We're going to put it right there. And when, like I said, this is just an experiment. We're going to push down and see if the lid will close. Yeah, it does. Not sure if this is the right thing to do, but you know something? You have these things, why not experiment? We're gonna give it a few minutes and then we'll check it out. Oh, let's see here. Kinda, oh, it squished it all right. Oh, Jesus. Don't try this at home, boys and girls. I'm just applying a little bit of pressure like a panini does. You can probably do this open. Let's see. And I've got to get a proper flipper. Yeah, I need a proper flipper. Oh. It slides. That's it. It comes down here and slides. So maybe Ninja will come out with a proper panini press to put on top of this. Yeah. And you have to give me credit, Ninja. Come on, man. I'll take it to Shark Tank with me. I just want to keep that the top plate warm. Sorry, I forgot to hit play again, but we'll work with it. It's already shut it off. Goodness. Oh. Look at this, look at this. So, yeah, this was a success. Yes, so you can make a panini in the new Ninja. I renamed it. We're gonna call it the new Ninja. Oh my God, the Ninja FOODI Griddle Grill, or the Ninja FOODI Griddle. I like the Ninja FOODI Griddle Grill, so that's what we're gonna call it. Boom.